We are living in a world filled with data. Every interaction, every click, and every sensor creates an ever-expanding digital universe of information. But data alone is useless. It is like an unrefined resource, chaotic and silent, unless we can find a way to learn from it. That is exactly where machine learning comes in, transforming raw numbers into intelligence. It is the engine of modern artificial intelligence. Machine learning is the science of enabling computers to learn patterns from data and make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed for every task. As the machine ingests information, it identifies underlying structures. Geometric patterns and crystalline structures begin to form inside the core as it processes data. For decades, we relied on manual rules. But with the rapid growth of data and computational power, traditional programming is no longer enough. We have reached a scale where human coders cannot account for every variable. We need systems that can automatically learn and adapt from information. At its core, machine learning builds abstract models. These are mathematical representations that capture the hidden, subtle connections within the data. Think of it as a shift in philosophy. Instead of writing rigid rules, we let the machine discover the rules itself through exposure to examples. On the other side, we provide data plus output to the machine, and it generates the model, a dynamic logic that evolves over time. The impact of this technology is immense. Machine learning is widely used in high-stakes fields like molecular biology and drug discovery. In pharmacology and clinical research, ML helps identify the right treatments for patients by analyzing vast clinical trial results and genetic profiles. To understand how it works, we look at two main approaches. One is statistical, focusing on probability, and the other is algorithmic, focusing on computation. These are further categorized into supervised learning, where we guide the machine, and unsupervised learning, where the machine finds patterns on its own. Functional utility is the goal. It helps us cluster similar items together, making sense of massive, unorganized groups. It also allows for powerful prediction, where a line graph extends forward into the unknown based on historical trends and probabilities. Machine learning is transforming how we solve complex problems and shaping the future of technology. It's about understanding the world through data. This is more than just code. It is a new way of thinking. And this is where your journey into the heart of AI begins.